is the outdoor kitchen right here. It's all been winterized. We're going to season this grill, even though the temperature 12 degrees below freezing, and hopefully we can get this season, get it hot enough to burn it off. Oh, and it's a Blackstone. The reason I did this is so the snow and rain wouldn't just be sitting on the grill. So basically, it's under there, but nothing's touching. And like I always say, always level your project. Looks like we have 3 burners lit. The middle one was a little punsy. 3. We're going to do some rinse water. Sweet paper towel holder. This model is the Blackstone Culinary. Blackstone Griddle seasoning. We'll take about a tablespoon of seasoning and pop it on the grill and let it cook. Now this culinary model has the wind guards on the side, so the wind can't blow the flames out. And you can see it's coming brown. And in the corners, I might have got a little bit too much oil on back there, but it's all going to burn off, so eventually. Now as you can see from this angle, the front 4 inches, the length of the grill, isn't quite burning off. I don't know if it's from the outside temperature or the burners are shorter than the griddle plate, but I'm going to incorporate some MAP gas and burn that off myself. I think it's a great idea to go around and hit all the cold spots anyway. This is how it should look. Completely black after the torch treatment. The exterior grease holder with the tray. Now as you can see, I'm just torching the front 4 inches, and any of the corners or any spots, little cold spots. You don't have to go over the whole grill. Make sure your gas grill's off. Once this last coat burns off with a quick torch, we're done. I give the Blackstone Culinary with 28-inch cooking griddle service 2 thumbs up. I like it.